Hello everyone, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw wings. I'm going to be showing you a couple different positions today. First, I'll tell you, but before we start, I will tell you, I am going to be using a mechanical pencil and a normal piece of paper. Nothing too fancy, just normal supplies. Alright, so if you look at a wing, you've probably have looked at a wing and thought, oh my gosh, that's way too complicated. And to be honest, wings can be really complicated. It takes lots of practice till you can get them right, but that's why you're here today, for me to show you how to draw one. First, I'll be just drawing a normal view, a simple view of a wing. You will first start with a small circle, just like so. After you have drawn your circle, you will start with your line going slightly down, then slightly up, and then going out like an arm. You can draw another circle if that will help you, but these are just main lines. You will draw a gentle curve. It will stop right here, kind of right here when you bend it, to go back down, and then it will go back to the shoulder area. And there you have the main shape of the wing. Now detail is a bit hard. It's something you like for the shape of the wing. It's something for yourself to just keep practicing till you get your own style and how to draw it yourself, right? So I'll show you. I go a bit up for the feather. Then so it's gonna be wider here, and it will get smaller. The feather will get smaller like that. And that's your first wing. Usually your first wing is the longest, but you know, wings vary. Then you'll be drawing your second wing the same. Just follow it, just like so. I know. When you're drawing a wing or the feathers, be really loose, like just loose, and let your hand move. Don't be, really hard and stiff when you're drawing it, because when you do that, it's harder and you can get really frustrated. It just depends who you are. And then the wings will get smaller as you go down. And then right here they will get super small, right by the shoulder. And there you go, you have your first set of feathers. Now for your second set of feathers, they will be smaller, so they will kind of overlap the top wings, but not too much. Alright, and there's the second set of feathers, and you can leave it like this way if you like, but you can always put another set just as like feathers that are more, I don't know how to explain, but just like this. It's kind of outside feathers. And there you have it, just a normal view of a wing. Now we will be doing a different view. So you'll draw your circle. I have to think about this for 2 seconds. Okay, so you go down. This might not be enough space for this. I'm gonna draw it over here more. Alright, let's try this again. You'll go down, then you'll go up, and then you'll go down again, but longer this time. And this will be the shorter part, so watch. There you go. Now this will be the inside, this will be the outside, this will be where the longer feathers are, and then it will get shorter. So then you'll draw the underneath of the wing. There. Now you got the main shape of the wing. You will start now drawing the feathers. Just like this wing right here, you'll do the same thing. But since we're on an angle, it will get smaller and different, and I'll show you. And yeah, I know I'm erasing. Usually you don't want to do that. You want to keep your lines, but you know, I sometimes get annoyed at it too. Just like so. And you'll do another. There you go. Now you have the main big feathers done. You'll just start drawing the little feathers. They'll be thin and little for the bottom of the wing. And there you go, you have a different view. I know this kind of sucks right here. The wing's supposed to go out more. I'm drawing on my desk to try to show you since I ran out of room on my paper. But if you can see this, it should look like that, and it looks pretty short, but it's all good. And now I'm going to show you how to draw a feather, just one single feather. If you didn't understand when I drew these feathers, I should have done this before, but I'm doing it now. Alright, so start with a line, just like so. I mean, let me make that line a bit more simple. Just a line. Whoop. Alright. You'll go up very thinly, and then you'll curve it. There you go, and then there's that thin little line, and keep this line thin that goes between the middle of the feather, or it won't look the same. So you keep that line relatively thin, and it comes out thin just like that. Oh, make it a bit better. There you go. Now you have just one simple feather for in a bigger size, you know, and then you just put some detail if you'd like on your feather. And there you go. This is how you draw a wing. I get my words really messed up and all that stuff, so I hope I explained it good for you guys to understand what I was saying. If not, I apologize, but thank you for listening and have a great day, and please leave a like.